guys, this is Sanjaleeta. Welcome to my channel. So we have created Cleopatra today. Let me know what do you guys think, and if you like this look and want to know how I got this look, keep watching. So we are finished. What do you guys think? This was too fun. Yeah, lots of eye makeup, of course. And back in the day, Egyptians wore a lot of blue eyeshadow or green eyeshadow. And not for fashion, but I believe it was more like to protect their eyes. I have to look into that more, but that's why they wore the blue or the green. It was for protection of their eyes from the light. I'm not quite sure, but anyway, so that's kind of what I did here. I started off with some turquoise and then some dark blue and ended up with an onyx color at the ends. And the rhinestones were just a finished touch that I didn't even know I was gonna do. I guess after I had created this look, and I thought, you know what, let's do some rhinestones. So I did the blue on the inner part and the yellow in the tear ducts, kind of where the yellow eyeshadow is, and just kind of followed the colors. And then in the end it has black. It's just kind of neat. But yeah, this was a fun look. I enjoyed creating it. Like I said, I was supposed to do this last week. I was super busy. Yesterday was a crazy day, and I still managed to do this. You know, making YouTube videos for me, I have to say, is a stress reliever. My life is very crazy sometimes, especially when you have a bunch of kids. It does get pretty stressful, and you know, making these videos in front of the camera and talking to you guys and creating these looks, it kind of helps me keep my mind off of the craziness that I can't fix anyways. We can't fix any problems. You know, our problems, we just need to give it to God. There's nothing we can do for any of our children, you know, whether they're messing up or whatever they're doing wrong that you're not happy with. We can't change them. All we could do is give them to God and let God deal with it. And, you know, hopefully someday they'll grow up and figure out life. So anyways, so yeah, so this is my look. I hope you guys like it. I've got these super long earrings here that keep connecting to my necklace. And this is a necklace that I already had. These earrings I already had. The only thing I got was this headband thing, because of course I didn't have anything like this. Yeah, so I just bought this from Amazon. I think it was like 12 bucks. And I want to say the wig was 12 bucks too. So I pretty much spent under $27, you know, with tax and everything, and my eye keeps watering. But yeah, it was a very cheap look. I didn't do the dress or anything because the point of this look was just the makeup and hair. So here it is. And I know some of the YouTubers go all out with the dresses and stuff, and that's just awesome. Maybe someday when I'm making a lot of money, then maybe I'll do something like that too. You know, spend a little bit more money on these things. But for now, I'm just having fun and just enjoying and using this kind of as my stress reliever. So I don't know what this guy's supposed to be doing up here. Is he supposed to be standing straight up? Is he supposed to be going sideways? Or he just kind of chills right there. But yeah, it's a snake. It's a snake. But yeah, so this is just a headband. Just goes over the wig. And it's pretty cool. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe. I'm waiting for you. Alright guys, you guys have a very blessed day, and tomorrow is Halloween. We don't really celebrate Halloween anyways, you know, we're not all about that. You know, I just did this look just for a fun look for my channel. We are going to pass out candy for the neighborhood kids. I kind of felt bad last year. We just kind of, you know, turned off the lights and ignored them. And there were so many cute little ones out there, you know, going door to door for candy, and we just kind of ignored them. So this year we're going to do it, and we'll see what we do next year. I don't know. Every year is different. So anyways, you guys have a very safe Halloween. Check your kids' candy. Just be safe all overall. And it is a weeknight, so next day is school. Get your kids in bed at 9 o'clock. They shouldn't be running around any later than 9 o'clock, I believe. And yeah, they got school the next day. And check their candy. Everybody is not trusted. There are crazy people in this world, and it's sad. It's sad that they would, you know, do these things to candies that little kids are going to eat. So we as parents need to check those things to be safe. And if you're not sure, I want to say the police department, they check them. I'm not sure if they're doing that here in Lodi, but I heard somewhere they'll scan the candy or something. I don't know. But anyways, you guys have a very blessed day. Bye.